If you want to record expenses in Zoho Books but don't know the exact steps, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Recording expenses properly is very important because it helps you track your spending, manage cash flow, and maintain accurate financial records. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can do it without any confusion. First, log into your Zoho Books account using your email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Purchases section from the left menu. Under this section, you will find options like Expenses, Bills, and Vendors. Click on Expenses to begin. Now click on the Add Expense button. A form will open where you need to enter the details of your expense. Start by selecting the account from which the payment was made, such as cash or bank account. Then enter the amount you spent and choose the correct expense category like rent, utilities, travel, or office supplies. Next, add the date of the expense and include a reference number if available. You can also attach a receipt by uploading a file, which helps in record keeping and future verification. If the expense is related to a specific customer or project, you can link it accordingly. After filling in all the details, review the information carefully and click on Save. Your expense will now be recorded in the system and reflected in your financial reports. You can always go back and edit or delete an expense if needed. Keeping your expenses updated regularly will give you a clear view of your business finances. In short, go to Purchases, add an expense, fill in the details, and save it to keep your records accurate in Zoho Books. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this.